So let us go into the next topic, that is classification of the buildings. So I have already discussed about the principles of the planning for residential building. So we have to go for the principles of planning for public buildings also. So before that, just let us see the classification of the buildings here. So mainly broadly we can classify the buildings as residential and public. So again, what is the different type of classification of the building we can see here based upon the occupancy. So how many number of people are there and all, so that it depends upon or that point is referred to the based upon occupancy of the building. Secondly, based upon the structure. So here we have to note that based upon the structure means we are having two categories of the building, that is load bearing structure and the framed structure. So the load bearing structure means whatever the weight or the force or the load that is coming upon the building, so that will be taken up by the walls themselves. Okay, the wall may be brick wall, the wall may be of concrete blocks, or the wall may be built out of stones, laterite stones, etc. So those walls should be strong enough to take the weight or the load that is coming upon the structure. So here in the load bearing structure we don't have any beams and columns. Okay, so we have to note that there is only wall that is going to take up the load, there is no beam or column. Secondly, the framed structure, that is the opposite of the load bearing structure. So here we can see the beams and columns being constructed. So the structure in which there is beam and column, so that is called as the framed structure. So the framed structure in which we are going to give the load on the beams and columns itself. Okay, whatever the load is coming upon the slab of the structure, so that is transferred to the beam, so that load is transferred again to the column, and the load is transferred to the foundation from the column, and ultimately the foundation transfers the load down to the soil. So this is what about the framed structure.